my name is Dishita, and today I'm going to make this heart-shaped diary necklace. This is what it looks like, so let's get started. You will need a sheet of paper, some foam paper or any type of paper, a stapler, some string, an eraser, a pen or a pencil, some glue, and a scissors. Okay, the first step is you take the paper and start folding it like this. And make sure to keep the ends even. Like, it's okay if it's not perfect, but like, try to make it a little even. Okay, and next you draw a heart over on the paper. Make sure it's not too small or too big. And then you cut the heart out. Okay, so guys, after you have all your hearts cut out, gather them together, then take your string, put them like this, and then staple them like one there and then one there. Be very careful, and if you want, you ask an adult to help you. After you staple it, it should look like this. On this side, it should look like this, and on the other side, it should look like this. And now let's work on the cover. Guys, for the cover, where you take your necklace and then your heart shape, and trace it around whatever you're using like this. Next, you cut out your heart. This is what it's supposed to look like. Now make another one. After you have your heart, you take the front page of this one, and then you stick that on. And then the other side, you also do the same, like this. Okay guys, so this is the final thing, what it's supposed to look like. This is what it looks like from the inside. You can write little messages and stuff and give it to your friends. And it's a great party gift. Okay guys, you can make two, like one for you and one for your best friend. I had a lot of fun making these. Go down to the comments, like and subscribe. See you all next time. Bye!